Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing really well. I haven't posted a video in such a long time and I just felt like getting back in front of the camera again. Today we are going to be looking at November's Glossy Box. This box is just absolutely rammed full of stuff. I cannot wait to get into it, and yeah, wow, actually I've already been in it. One of the products that I've already tested out because why not? But yeah, I think this has to be like one of my favorite boxes that I've received so far. If you don't know what GLOSSYBOX is, it is a beauty subscription box. It generally is £13 a month, I think, or you can get it on like a 3, 6 months or 12-month subscription. I personally have it on a 12-month subscription and I pay £11.25 a month, which is like the cheapest amount that you can pay. And I've been getting it for a year now, and I have to say there are some months where I really like it, and I think there's a really good selection of products, and then there's other months where I'm not a fan of it. Like last month, Magical Masquerade was the theme, and to be honest, like the products that were inside were not Magical Masquerade-esque at all. I think that box could have been so much better than what it was in terms of like the types of products that they put in it. But this month's box, I think that they have redeemed themselves. Also, before I dive into it, I received an email to say that I had received an extra treat in this month's box because last month's box was delivered late. I did also get an extra treat in one of my boxes because the month prior to that my box was delivered late in the month. So I do actually think it's quite nice that GLOSSYBOX has tried to make it up as like a little sorry and, you know, thank you for kind of being patient, that kind of thing. So yeah, I'm just going to deep dive into it and show you what I've got. So you get a little booklet inside which tells you about all of the products in this month's box, and on the back it tells you about what we're receiving next month. So I'll quickly remember it out. So for December sneak peek, it says, inspired by the magic of winter, our December Moonlight Glow Glossy Box is packaged with packed with products that'll add a winter glow. And that of course includes our first sneak peek. From LA Splash, the Midnight Glow Face Palette will help you to enhance your complexion's natural luminosity. Worth £25, it's an essential in your beauty bag during the upcoming festive season. I don't have my glasses on and I'm really short-sighted, so I apologise if that was like a little bit stuttery, but yeah, that is what we're going to be getting. That's not even focusing. That is what we're going to be getting in next month's box, which I'm excited about because we've had a product from LA Splash before. It was an eyeshadow palette which I still use to this day, and it's one of my favourite eyeshadow palettes. Like the quality is just really, really good. Okay, so as you can see, it is absolutely rammed full of amazing products. So I think as my like present that I've got to say, it's kind of like a sorry for my last month's box being late. I think it's this product that we've had before, but this is the Vitamasks Pearl Sheet Mask, and it's a brightening one, and I think it's like a Korean beauty one. We've had one of these before like a few months ago and I really quite liked it. It was really hydrating on the skin. I have dry skin anyway, so I was very appreciative of this. And yeah, it's, as I said, yeah, did I say it was a Korean brand? I can't really remember, but yeah, it's a Korean brand as well, and Korean skincare is meant to be like the best. And yeah, it's just really, really nice, really relaxing, really moisturising, so I'm excited to try that. So I think everybody gets one of these in their box from what I can make out. I've already seen a couple of unboxings of this and everyone seems to have this. So these are the Thornton's Pearls chocolates, and inside you get a salted caramel pearl and a hazelnut pearl, and you also get a little coupon as well at the bottom for £1 off for like one of the large packets. So again, I'm really excited to try those. I think I might share those with my boyfriend. He was eyeing them up the other day when I opened the box. So yeah, I'm going to give one to him and we'll try them together. And as for the actual products that we've got, I'm just going to go over this first one. So this is the e.l.f. eyeshadow palette in the shade Berry Bad, and I've actually got it on my eyes now. I don't know whether you can see, but this is a really cute little eyeshadow palette, to be honest. I haven't used anything from e.l.f. before. I've always been quite curious to like know what the brand is and like what their quality of their products is like. I've always heard people say good things about it, and this was a nice little eyeshadow palette. So this is in the shade Very Bad, and it's just some really nice pretty little like berry shade colours. You can just do like a really simple eye look like I have done on my eyes. Perfect for the Christmas party season, New Year's Eve. Worth £4 as well. I have to say, it's not my favourite formula. I do own eyeshadows that are a lot better quality than this, but then again, we have to remember that this is only £4. It seemed to blend out really easily. I did get a tiny little bit of fallout when I was using it, but yeah, it's good. The only another criticism that I have is that these two shimmery shades in the middle, when you put them on, I put the darker shade in the middle of my lid and the lighter shade on the inner corner, and I have to say they look totally the same when you put them on and you kind of blend them in together, which I was just a bit like, yeah, I kind of would have liked it if like this lighter shade was like a few shades lighter, or they maybe put like a champagne-y shade in here as well, so you could do like a really nice smoky eye with it. What I did do is I just put a little bit of my MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter on the inner part of my eye and just brought it onto the inner part of my lid a little bit, just to kind of brighten it up. But yeah, other than that, I actually really do like it. Perfect size as well for like chucking in your handbag, perfect for traveling as well, so yeah, it's all good. The next thing that we have here is the e-cooking cleansing gel. We've had quite a few e-cooking products before in GLOSSYBOX, and I have to say I do really quite like them. So I'm just going to give this a quick smell. I've not tried any of this. Oh, that smells really nice. It smells really, really fresh. So I believe that e-cooking is vegan and it's cruelty free, and it's made with like natural ingredients as well, so it's going to be really, really good for your skin. It's a full size 125ml, and it is worth £14.30. so yeah, I'm actually really excited to try that. I think I might try that tonight when I go to take all my makeup off. But yeah, the only thing is it's for normal to dry skin, for normal to oily skin. I have dry skin, so hopefully that is going to be okay, but I guess I'll kind of put something on my Instagram to feedback what I think about it. My Instagram is linked below if you want to go follow me over there. But the next thing that we have is this little beauty sponge by the brand called Karina. I have never ever heard of this brand before. I'm just going to open it up and to see what it's like. So this is what the sponge looks like. It's a really nice baby pink colour, and it's really, really squishy as well. Really, really like that. I like the fact that occasionally we do get beauty sponges in the boxes. I know that quite a few people moaned about that, but I think even though you're meant to wash them regularly, after 3 months you're meant to throw them away or something like that, just for like hygiene purposes. But I love a good makeup sponge that feels really, really soft, as though it's gonna like blend your foundation in really well. So I'm excited to try everything. So you know, this is worth £8.50 as well, so yeah, really impressed with that. Okay, so the next thing that we have is this 5ml perfume by the brand called Commodity, and it's in the scent called Paper. I sprayed this the other night and I really don't like it. It smells like a really bad man's aftershave. It is really, really heavy, and it had like this weird like undertone to it. I personally, I do like deeper smelling like spicy scents, but I'm generally more of like a very fresh, fruity scent kind of person. I really didn't like this, and even my boyfriend, he does like he does like heavier scents, but even he said that he didn't like it. When I tried washing it off, I went in the shower, I washed my hands numerous times, and I could still smell it, and I really was not a fan. But I guess if you like each to their own really. I mean, I guess if you like really deep spicy scents, then this would be for you, but personally it's not for me. But I'll just read out what it says, because it's kind of a little bit strange. So this molecular skin scent combines woody xoxo super with touches of sweet amber for a lightweight and effortless glow that comes alive on the skin. Part of Commodity's personal scent space collection, Paper is an intimate skin scent that embodies the concept of less is more. I would not say that that is less is more. Yeah, I kind of really don't agree with that description, to be honest. This is a deluxe mini and it's worth £13. Yeah, this is not my favourite item in the box, I have to say. Last thing that we have in the box is this moisturising hand scrub. It's elderflower and raspberry scented, and it's by Human & Kind skincare with a conscience. So this is what it looks like, a hand scrub. I've never ever tried a hand scrub before. My hands at the minute are just so dry and crusty. I don't know whether that is picking up on camera, but holy days, I need something to get those dry skin cells off, because my hands are looking absolutely disgusting. But let's have a little try of this, see what it's like. And I've just realised that I have absolutely no tissues in here whatsoever to wipe this off with, so I'm going to end up with this all everywhere. That's really, oh my god, that smells really, really good. That smells really nice, and it's quite, you can tell it's scrubby. It's got grains in it. That's really, really nice. Oh my god. And it smells really, really good too. I really like that. Yeah, so that feels, oh god, I've got it everywhere. I don't have any like paper, I shouldn't have done that. But no, that feels really, really nice. And I can tell that my skin is starting to feel quite soft. And I'm just trying to brush all the scrubby bits off. I think you're meant to wash this off with water. There we go. Oh, that's left, like, it's quite moisturising as well, actually. I really like that. Okay, so that is my another favourite from this month's box. Is actually, I think this has to be like my favourite product, honestly. That is so nice. It's yeah, I just have to say that this is just like my favourite product in here. So how much is this? So this, again, this is full size and it's worth £12.85 as well. Once this runs out, I think I might have to get some more of that. That feels really good. So yeah, that is everything in this month's Glossy box. I will just kind of show you again what we have. Okay, so that is everything that we have in November's Glossy box. I thought that this was a really nice box put together. Obviously there was only one thing in there that I didn't really like, but everything else seems to be really good, and I think I will get a lot of enjoyment out of using it. I will just recap what we had. So we have the E-Cooking Cleansing Gel, we have the Human & Kind elderflower and raspberry hand scrub, we have the e.l.f. mini eyeshadow palette, we have the Paper perfume, for want of a better word, we have the beauty sponge. I'm not going to be able to hold all of this. We also have the chocolates as well for an extra treat. And as a little sorry to say that my box was late, for my box being late last month, I also have the Pearl Sheet Mask as well. So yeah, this box I think has to be one of my favourite boxes that I've had in quite a long time. What do you think to these products? Have you tried any of them before? Let me know down below. I would love to know your thoughts. Anyway, that is everything from me today. I hope that you have a really lovely day, evening, week, whenever you're watching this. And I guess I shall see you all in the next video. Bye!